So we talk about the foundation of faith, in which we all believe now that kahit na marami ang translation ng Bible, there's only one translation that is preserved. And what is that? The King James Bible. At pag sinabi nating preserve, and the Bible speak of preserved 7 times, it is inspired. And we can depend on it, we can believe it, we can test it, we can prove it. Do we have the Word of God today? Yes. In what form? The King James Bible. Pero may mga bagong pastor, wala namang alam, salita ng salita. We ought to be careful with that. Because look, ang mga naniniwala that the King James is inspired, kulto yan. Kulto yan. Kulto yan.